Hi, I'm Lou Manfredini, Ace's Home Expert, and in this video we're going to give you a beginner's guide to using a palm sander. Random Orbit Sander is a really terrific sanding tool to do finish work. You can do a variety of different sanding projects with this. It comes in both a battery operated like you see here, but also a corded one as well. This one has a little dust collector that can actually be removed. You could put a shop vac hose on the end of this if you really wanted to control the dust when you're using it. The other thing on these is the wheel here. So this disc right here is what they call a 5-inch disc, and you can buy packs like this and they come in different grades, right? Medium and coarse and fine, all depends on the grit that's on there. And they use a hook and loop to align and to stick on there. So you see on the back it's a pad. These holes, when you put this on, you want to try and carefully place it so that the holes line up with the holes on the tool. What that does is it allows, when you're sanding, for the dust to be sucked up by the rotation of the motor and go into this bag to reduce the dust. Now the idea behind a random orbit is, so you know, if you think about orbit being spinning, well, it spins, but it also randomly has like a cam in there, so while it's spinning it kind of shakes back and forth. And the idea is when you're using it, you should avoid seeing any kind of sanding marks, you know, digging in like that circular mark in there. And so you'll put pressure on what you're sanding and you will turn it on. On this particular one there's a switch, and it actually has a speed control as well. So depending on what you're working on, you can adjust the speeds. And it's just a really easy tool to use. If you're doing small projects, then a battery operated one, no problem. If you've got to do a lot of sanding where you need kind of production work, then a corded tool might make more sense. Or you do a battery operated with multiple batteries. The convenience of having a tool like this without a cord is really nice because you never have to worry about that cord being in the way. But you just grip it, you turn it on, and you apply that pressure and you allow the sander to do the work, and get ready to be amazed at the results. Coming up next, another beginner's guide video on a tool you should be using.